Hi y'all, I just had like one of the worst, not worst, it was actually a pretty okay day, but the longest days of my life and my year during the school year. It's just a lot. And so I thought, what better to do than to film this little old mukbang for you all. So I'm gonna keep it real classy tonight. I'm not even gonna lie, like it has been a long week and I'm so grateful for the week I had, but grateful that it's over, and I feel like I have been eating like garbage all week. So why not make that better by eating like garbage tonight as a celebration? And then on Monday, I'm so serious, y'all. I'm so serious. I'm going back to full on keto mode. So you better get ready for that, because this summer, I had this beach body ready, but damn, this summer I messed it up. So I got this plate here because the first thing I'm gonna put on it, this is like not good filming at all. I'm gonna just hold my food up here to make sure you can see it all. I'll just hold it like that. But the first thing I got tonight is some flaming hot Cheetos. We're just gonna open this up. Just gonna open it up and put it on this plate. This is what the real mukbangers do. Oh my god. Listen, I can polish one of these bad boys off, like no big deal, but it looks like so much more when you actually put it on the plate and don't just eat straight out of the bag. You see what I'm talking about right here? But, ooh, this cough. But the other thing I got is some 7-Eleven taquitos. Ooh, they're a little cold now. I didn't eat right away. You know, honestly, I got home from work and just had a lot to do, so check that out. Look at this. I love flaming hot Cheetos. I'm gonna seriously eat all of these, like, I'm not even joking. So, the other thing I have tonight is a very classy glass of Crystal Light, strawberry lemonade flavor, in a wine glass, because why not? So refreshing. The only other thing I have in my apartment to drink right now is Diet Coke. And honestly, I have to go to this wedding tomorrow. I ain't got time. I ain't got time to drink Diet Coke and be up all night. But, Alright, here we go. Did y'all hear that? There is some shenanigans happening outside my apartment. I love the taquitos. This is actually like fairly standard, like I go out at night and come home and I need some food, you know those nights. Oh look, that one has a hole inside of it. I haven't done a mukbang in forever. I don't even know them. Well, forever. Actually, probably like 3 videos ago. But I also haven't been able to post this frequently. And I know if I ever want to be successful, I need to start posting more. But yeah, what can I tell you about? I don't know. Maybe you just want to listen to me too. Actually, my latest YouTube obsession, it's a new thing, obsession, I almost took a bite as I'm like trying to finish this. Oh my god, I got flaming hot. I had a flaming hot stuck in my throat. Let me get this Crystal Light, girl. My newest YouTube obsession is the channel The ASMR Chew. That woman gives me so life. She will eat a pickle. So sassy. Like that's how she eats pickles. She'll go. And girl. And like, why do I enjoy that? I don't know that I enjoy it for the same reason most people enjoy ASMR. Like, I'm just fascinated by this woman. So that's my newest obsession. Like, I can watch that shit all day. Well, probably not. It was kind of weird, actually. But I enjoy her. I'm really waiting for Dana and Destiny to get a YouTube channel. That is gonna be lit. Lit. Yeah, I'm going to this wedding tomorrow. It's my second wedding of the summer. It's actually chronologically the third one I've been invited to. I couldn't go to the one that I was invited to last weekend because of a work obligation, and I only kind of got out of work obligations to go to this one tomorrow. So, you know. Y'all. Ooh, that's a fun looking one. Fun to eat. Y'all afraid we're gonna die from nuclear war? I was just looking at some stuff on my computer screen in front of me. This shit's terrifying. Damn. I'm gonna get the diabetes from this. I felt like really rewarded this week from work. Like, oh, people have just really positively affirmed me. And I'm not gonna lie, like sometimes it's like work lately has been rough. Like we've been long hours, really busy. But dang, when somebody tells you that you made like an impact, or like I work at a college and like students coming back and like just being excited to see me, like that feels good. That feels good. So yeah, I mean I'll keep my other thoughts to myself, but that in particular feels good. I don't know why I had doubts about being able to finish these Flamin' Hots. Like, I made quite the impact. Oh, this is a fun one too. I don't really know what that looks like, but it's weird. Mm. You ever just getting that food days? Like for real? I think I just like spaced out. Cause I was like hardcore nomming. I still have a whole taquito, y'all. I don't know. Dang. Unless you just like really like watching me eat, like this like last little bit is probably gonna be real boring. But I don't care. You think I care? You think I really care? It's just like cheesy and soft. And there's chicken. Y'all, I earned it though. I walked almost 14,000 steps, and for like being really tall, that's a lot of freaking steps. Wow. I'm so mad the taquitos are gone. Like I should have eaten that slower. Look at that. You jelly in my orange fingers. You mad or no? There is shenanigans happening outside. Okay, I can't be bothered to go investigate. Do you hear that? Ugh. I can't be bothered. Not gonna lie, the crystal light is like a little interesting. I'm over this noise outside. No. I was almost gonna stop. And I was like, you can't really not finish at this point. Like, you gotta finish. But like, my body, like, I'm sweating right now. Like, what is that about? I'm like fairly positive my insides are gonna hate me tomorrow. I gotta dry this wedding. I shouldn't put it like that. Like, I'm very happy to be seeing my friend get married, but dang. Yeah, I'm going by myself. I don't have a +1. Which is just like a weird place I am in my life right now. Like, I don't know, like a lot of my friends getting married just assume that I'm like the single gay guy forever. Like, hello, I have a boyfriend. Hello. But yeah, I guess that's all for tonight. I thought I was gonna burp and not cough, but I guess all I have in me is to cough. So I hope you enjoyed watching this hot mess of a mukbang, and I'll see you all later. Bye! Subscribe, like, comment. I almost forgot all of that. I know that's like really important. Bye!